How to check in on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can check in on Air New Zealand, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Air New Zealand account. Once you're logged in, by the top left corner, you'll see a logo, and below that you'll see options like plan, book, fly, airpoints, help, etc. So as you can see all of this, the next step is for you to move to the booking section where you can see options like book your trip, manage booking, check-in. So go ahead and click on check-in. Once you click on check-in, you'll be taken to the check-in page, and then on this page, you'll see the option for check-in by entering in the flight number that was sent to you after you booked the flight. All right, enter in the flight number and any other details required, enter it in the box display, and then you will check in successfully. Note that you can check in online within 24 hours to your departure time. Or you ensure you do this, okay? Or if you don't check in online, you will be required to check in at the airport before you can go on your trip. So that is it, all right? This is basically how you can check in on New Zealand. It's very simple. Find your way to the check-in session and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has helped you, so ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Have a good day.